Great. I'm gonna add cinnamon. Okay, I'm gonna flip this. Beautiful. Honey. A touch of honey. And I'm gonna add bit granola. Ta-da! You wanna have apple too? Yes. You wanna eat apple?
I like apple.
I'm gonna give you the tiny bit.
Yeah.
And rest is for me, okay?
Well, why don't we be like? Let's be fair.
Make sure not too hot.
Ready.
3, 2. What do you think?
I think it makes people online very happy to see me eat.
Yeah, but
So people need happiness now. So let's all work together to let people, give them some happiness in their lives.
what did you think about my apple?
I thought it was pretty good.
10 out of what?
I think it's 10 out of 10.
Ah,
but
thank
I
you
need
very
to
much.
have one more piece
One more
to
piece?
really just
Okay, make sure.
Yeah, because I don't want to give it 10 on 10 and then basically people are saying it was only 9.5. So let me,
Okay, make sure not too hot.
please make sure it's not too hot.
Okay,
Yeah,
ready?
I'm
You're
ready.
so white.
Yeah.
3, 2.
I'm ready. Wow, that goes fast. That was delicious.
Good?
Yeah, it's you know what? On that plate,
Uh-huh.
they're like you got little like 8 pieces, and you can split them right down the middle. That's like 4 on one side, 4 on the other side.
Yes.
So akemi and sushi.
Akemi, and you can take tiny bit.
Thank you. Yeah, I like it.
You wanna go closer
Yeah,
to the camera?
I'd like that apple to come closer to me more than the camera to come closer to me.
Okay.
Please. I haven't eaten in like a minute. Oh, snap. That was delicious.
Congratulations.
Thank you.